You're looking for an easy way to embed Trustpilot reviews on your Divi website? By displaying positive reviews from Trustpilot, you can quickly grow your customer trust and boost your sales. That's why in this video, we'll show you how to create, customize, and embed a Trustpilot reviews feed like this on your Divi website. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase Reviews Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and the license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Reviews Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now inside our dashboard, on the left-hand side, go into Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. At the top, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for Reviews Feed Pro, like this, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. Now you can see that Reviews Feed Pro has been installed and activated. To get started, on the left-hand side, click on Reviews Feed. At the top, you can enter the license key from your Smashballoon account and click Activate. Now our license key has been activated, and we can begin creating our Trustpilot reviews feed. Click on Add New, and for the first step, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click Add Source, and on this pop-up, you can see all the different sources supported by Reviews Feed Pro. You can display reviews from Google, Facebook, TripAdvisor, Yelp, Trustpilot, and WordPress.org. Since we're trying to create a feed of Trustpilot reviews, let's select Trustpilot as our source and click Next. For the second step, we'll have to paste the page URL for the Trustpilot page we want to fetch our reviews from. And for this demonstration, we're going to display reviews from Wallace Cotton. This business has over 4,500 reviews with an average rating of 4.9. All you have to do next is copy the URL at the top like this. Then we can head back to Reviews Feed Pro and paste it inside this box like this. Once that's done, click Finish. And now Wallace Cotton has been added as a source and it's already selected for us, so we can click Next. For the final step of creating our reviews feed, we'll have to select the template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, simple cards, masonry, carousel, and more. Let's go with the masonry template, and once selected, click Next. And instantly we have a live preview of our new Trustpilot reviews feed in front of us. Inside the feed, you can find the latest reviews for Wallace Cotton on Trustpilot. At the top of each review, you can find the author name, when that review was published, the star rating that was given, and the review content underneath. On the top right corner, you can also see the Trustpilot logo, indicating that the review is from Trustpilot. This acts as an indication of trust because our reviews are from a credible source, which in this case is Trustpilot. And because we chose the masonry layout, all our reviews are displayed inside this masonry tile layout. Our reviews feed is now ready to be embedded inside our Divi webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, if you go into the Customize tab and click on Layout, you can find all the different layout options you have with Reviews Feed Pro. At the moment, as I mentioned, we have the masonry layout that displays our reviews in rows and columns. Above that is the list layout. This one displays your reviews in a single column list. And lastly, we have the carousel layout, which allows you to swipe through the reviews inside your feed like this. For this demonstration, let's continue with the masonry layout. If I scroll down, you can also choose how many reviews you want to display inside your feed initially on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Currently, we're displaying 6 reviews, but if you want to modify that, just change it to the number of reviews you want to display. For example, let's go with 9. After entering 9, you can see our reviews feed update instantly to display 9 reviews instead of 6. After that, you can also modify the number of columns inside your feed. You can see that we're currently displaying 3 columns, but once again, to modify it, just change it to the number of columns you want to display. Let's go with 2. And instantly, our reviews feed has updated to only display 2 columns instead of 3. Let's change it back to 3. And once you're happy with the layout of your reviews feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the different elements inside each review, go into the Customize tab and click on Reviews. Then go into Edit Individual Elements. Inside this menu, you can see all the different elements inside each review, such as the author and date, the star rating, review paragraph, and images or videos if they're available. Each of these elements can be hidden or displayed depending on your needs. For example, if I wanted to hide the author and date, I can just simply deselect it like this, and the author and date will now be hidden inside each review. And if I wanted to bring it back, you can select it, and the author and date will appear back inside the review. But you might notice that now it's appearing at the bottom of the review instead of the top. This just shows you that you can modify how the elements are stacked inside each review. To do that, just hover over the element you want to move, like this, and you can click and drag it to the position you want to place it in, like so. Now, the author and date is back at the top, and this just shows you how you can customize it easily. Let's say, for example, you wanted to move the star rating to the bottom, just click and drag it to the bottom like this, and that will now appear at the bottom of the review. I'm going to move that back. If you're happy with the layout of the elements inside each review, click Save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you're looking for ways to moderate the reviews inside your feed and choose the exact reviews you want to display, we have options for that too. Go to the Settings tab and click on Filters. Inside this menu, you can add filters to your reviews feed. For example, at the top, you can filter reviews based on star rating. If you wanted to only display 5-star reviews, you can select it like this, and our reviews feed will automatically update to display 5-star reviews and nothing else. I'm going to remove that for now. Next, we can also add words as filters, so that your reviews feed only displays or hides reviews containing that word. And down at the bottom, you can filter reviews based on character count too, with a minimum and maximum. If you want to display short, bite-sized reviews, you can set a lower minimum and maximum. Alternatively, if you want to display longer in-depth ones, you can set a higher minimum and maximum too. It's totally up to you. If you add any filters, make sure to click Save, but for now, let's head back and go into moderation mode. Next, if we click Enable, this menu will allow you to choose the exact reviews you display inside your feed. To do that, you have two options, with the Allow list and Block list. With the Allow list, all your reviews will be hidden by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to display like this. Next, with the Block list, all your reviews will be displayed by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to hide like this. And if you make any changes, make sure to click Save. But for now, we're going to cancel it. And finally, let me show you how we can embed our reviews feed inside our Divi webpage. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode for the feed, and click Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, and click Add. And now on our WordPress webpage, we can click on Edit with the Divi Builder. And here we are now on our Divi webpage, and we can embed our new Trustpilot reviews feed over here. To embed it, click on the plus icon, and we can search for a code module, this one here. Once added, you'll get this pop-up on the left-hand side, and all we have to do is paste the shortcode that we copied earlier right here. And once that's done, we can already see a live preview inside Divi Builder, and we can click on the green check mark and click Save on the bottom right corner. Now let's go check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are now on our live Divi website. Let's scroll down and find our reviews feed. And here it is. You can see our brand new Trustpilot reviews feed that we just created. All the latest reviews for Wallace Cotton is displayed inside this feed in the masonry template that we selected. Each review contains the author name, when that review was published, the average star rating that was given, and the review content. If I scroll down, you'll also find a button that says Load More. If I click on that, that will load additional Trustpilot reviews directly on your WordPress webpage. And if I scroll to the top, we also have a header which features the average star rating, the total number of reviews, and on the right hand side we have a Write a Review button. If I click on that, that will take me directly to that Trustpilot reviews page, making it really easy for your site visitors to go and leave reviews for you from your WordPress website. And that's all there is to it. That's how easy it is to create a Trustpilot reviews feed like this and embed it inside your Divi webpage. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.